Hi there, today we want to talk about the Mechanics Truck Control System from Knapheide. This is a CAN bus based system. From our simple control panel here, we can activate our strobe lights, we can turn on our compartment lights, we can activate our crane. We've also got 2 ports here we can activate additional functions, so it's a scalable product as well. So this represents our crane remote. This is our optional in-cab control panel, which gives us some information about how the system works. One of the nice features of this is we can actually control the output or wattage on each channel for safety and security of the electrical systems. It's a smart system where we can turn it off, not have any parasitic draw, and this allows us to grow any other systems like telematics that our customers may want to include and add. And again, these are some of our standard features for the new Knapheide Mechanics Truck.